Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you want to do is you want to toggle Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So this is like a quick restart. We want to go over to the settings, select connections, and tap on this switch right here. Now the Wi-Fi is off and now it's turned on. Let's go over to Wi-Fi settings right here, and what you want to do next is, if we still have our Wi-Fi and it's not working, then simply forget the network, click on the gear icon, click forget, and simply enter the password again. Now as you guys can see, we are connected, we are back at it. And what you want to do next, if we still have our Wi-Fi and it's not working, we want to restart our router and our phone. So every router restarts differently. Sometimes it's just a switch, or sometimes you just have to hold it with like a SIM tray opener. But I would recommend turning off and turning on the router. And for the phone, you just hold the power button and the volume down button until you see a menu pop up. Now in this menu right here, you click restart and you tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts. Now after the restart, what you want to do is go over and check for software updates. So let's wait for our phone to start, and then we're heading straight into the settings. So now go to settings, and here we want to scroll a bit down until we see software update. Now we click on download and install, and it's checking for updates automatically. So all we need is Wi-Fi connection for it, and we have to wait. Now my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. You will have the buttons at the bottom to update it. Now as a last resort, what you guys want to do is go to general management, go to reset, and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. And that should fix the issue. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.